Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Alright, we're going to the next planet now. So, this is 100% done, well, other than collectibles, but we'll go back and get them at the end of the game. So now we're going to
Let's hope Ratchet finds that prophet soon. What's Ratchet doing right now?
If I knew how to build a Dimensionator, where would I be?
Alright. That's what I want to go for.
Take your time, sweetie.
Ammo's full. Oh, why not? I said kill. One of the trophies is kill or eliminate, whatever.
Hey, yeah, weird question. You wouldn't happen to know anything about building a Dimensionator, would you?
Ratchet? Ratchet! Gary! Your reputation precedes you.
Yeah.
You'll need to go to the interdimensional archives. My apprentice can help you. But,
Town under attack?
how did you know?
I'll go check it out. I think I still remember how to stop an invasion. So I'm guessing these nefarious guys are looking for a Lombax?
Well, yes, that did tip me off that you'd be coming. Good luck, Ratchet.
A flying sniper bot? That's a new one.
It was not my fault that the Lombax got away.
Alright, we got one more weapon.
beautiful place this is!
An intruder! What a pleasant
The Emperor demands you beg his forgiveness! Please desist! You will enjoy this!
Another town saved. Now about those archives.
Ah,
Interdimensional anomaly detected.
No! Whoa! Hey!
So embarrassing.
You all right? That was quite the landing.
Who are you?
Sorry, You look so familiar. I'm Ratchet. I'm here to find, I think it was Gary's apprentice. I need to build a Dimensionator.
Oh dear. Well, there's little I can do, seeing as my archives are walking away. How do I get back up there?
Oh, you're his apprentice. Maybe we could work together?
I do not make a great partner.
How about this? If things go badly, which they won't, we go our separate ways. No questions asked. Team?
Sure. Team. For now. In order to reach the archives, we must rescue the monks from Nefarious's forces. Here, these hover boots will help us travel across the mesa quickly. We will need help from the monks. There are 3 temples nearby. The Mountain Temple, the Primeval Forest Temple, and the Temple de Badlands. We call it the Badlands Temple. Ah, there is one of our senior archivists.
Whoa, can it be? A brother Lombax?
You, know we're not related, right?
Cha we are, by our mutual thirst for knowledge. Check this out. A shrine the Lombaxes built ages ago, containing a lorb stuffed with ancient info. But only a Lombax can unlock its secrets. If you could bring me 3 lorbs, I'll hook you up with a sweet piece of armor I dug up.
A Lombax shrine? I'll totally help.
Radical! One last thing. Shrines won't open if there are bad vibes nearby. So if there are, you'll have to clear them out.
There's one, right?
So, I had a weird meeting this morning. Caden came in. Apparently, the council liked my mapping work on Savali enough that they want me to expand it by mapping every dimension in existence. Yeah, that might be impossible.
Yeah, trophy. There's 3 orbs. Got 3 orbs. Alright. Oh, goodbye.
Do you mind if I ask you a question? As a Lombax?
Sure, but I'm not really an expert on the Lombaxes. I'm kind of the last one in my dimension. Yo, I'm from another dimension.
Yes, I know.
You do?
I am Gary's apprentice.
You got the Lorb? No. Nice. Now you should be able to listen to whatever's recorded on it.
Oh. Oh, that was saved.
What did you want to know about the Lombaxes?
We believe the Lombaxes used, and perhaps built, the temples here. Do you know why they would have built them?
Not really. I guess it was to keep knowledge about the Dimensionator hidden.
I see. Thank you anyway.
Has led you straight into our trap.
problem.
It don't fall. Alright, I let some that go well.
So, how did you get to be Gary's apprentice?
It is. Who is Clank?
Clank. He always has my back, no matter what.
Where is he now?
Helping me stop Nefarious, but we had to split up.
Oh. I am sorry.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, what's inside the archives?
Knowledge from our galaxy and beyond. Everything from cross-dimensional scientific theories to best practices for maintaining your mustachio.
Really?
All knowledge is worth preserving.
All right. And I think that covers everything here. Nice. Doesn't look that impossible. Come on, Archives. Let us up there.
I promise that once all of my brothers are safe, we will be inside the archives in no time.
Where are these force fields coming from?
They are defenses built into the planet. But it appears Nefarious' troops have turned them against the monks.
Don't worry, we'll help them. Whoa. Looks like I'm done here. But that was fun. As much as dimensions breaking apart can be fun. Yeah.
Brother Lombax, the leg armor is yours if you bring those lorbs back to me.
Perfect.
Hey, if you can bring me 4 more lords, I'll give you some chest armor to match those legs. I've marked the rest of the shrines on your map. Good luck, brother.
Take your time, sweetie. Goodbye now. Ahead, upgrade that. See you next time.
Alright, that is going to be it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.